In Vietnamese culture, children's names carry the wish and hope from the family and the parents. Some popular Vietnamese names for boys are Quang, the light, Minh means intelligent, or Tuấn means handsome. For the girls, we have Nguyệt means the moon, Lang is orchid, and Ha means the lake. Sometimes parents are too ambitious or too big of a dreamer. They name their kids something like super cool, super rich, or beauty queen. Here's another Vietnamese cultural tip for you. We people believe that evil spirits will try to steal the beautiful, attractive baby away. If you want to protect a baby, then you would never compliment the newborn. I mean, ever. I've learned through the years that if I go to a beautiful baby and say, "Aw, what a cute baby," then I'm dead. The whole family and the baby's mother will eat me before I can say the second thing about the baby. I also learned that I have to say "Thấy ghét ghê" to a baby as a way to bless the baby and make the baby's mother happy. So "Thấy ghét ghê" means I hate you in a cute way. It's a culture. But sometimes I feel a little bit uncomfortable saying I hate you too many times in a day. See a baby, I hate you. Another baby, I hate you. And another baby, I hate you too. Too many hates in a day. How many times do I have to say I hate you to please the baby's mother? I mean, I'm not in a good mood all the time. I could be sad. I could be out of control sometimes. I am so scared for the moment when I see the baby and I can't hold it anymore. I hate you will become I hate you. I'm so scared for that moment. I don't want it to come. But I guess even if it becomes the real thing, people can't blame me. I just bless the baby. What else do you want from me? The other way to help the baby grow up healthily and safely is to trick the evil spirits away by calling them nicknames like rat, balls, or peanuts. Some people think, how could Vietnamese parents call the kids by these terrible names? Once again, it's just the culture. Plus, by using different tones, you can convey different feelings to the listeners. Like this. Rat, come on. Or it could be love, like, hey rat, come here to mama, come here. The system is working fine until the parents have too many children. But don't worry, here's a great idea, and this is a true story, I swear. My grandmother's neighbor has 5 kids, 5 boys, and their parents call them red peanuts, yellow peanuts, blue peanuts, black and white peanuts. But if you're still worried, here's the good news. These names aren't necessarily be on the birth certificate. But the bad news is your parents, the family members, all relatives, and even neighbors, you'll be surprised how crazily close the neighbors can be in Vietnamese culture. I mean, all of these people will call the kids by this name for the rest of his or her life. So sometimes being a Vietnamese is a bit stressful. You go out and your name could be super rich, super cool, or beauty queen. But when you go home, there's a high chance that you are a rat or a peanuts.